Now here the question is, normals are drawn from point 4, 1 to the parabola y square equals 4x. The tangent at the feet of normal to parabola y square equals to 4x form a triangle ABC. So first we'll find equation of normal. So for this parabola, value of a is 1. So we'll write equation of normal in parametric form. So equation of normal in parametric form will be y plus tx equals at cube, and a here is 1 plus 2at. So there'll be simply 2t, and we need normals passing through 4, 1. So we'll put x as 4 and y as 1. So it'll be 1 plus 4t, and this is t cube plus 2t. So it'll be t cube minus 2t minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can add 1 and subtract 1. So we can write this as t cube plus 1. So it'll be t plus 1, and then t square minus t plus 1, and then minus 2, and it'll be t plus 1. So we can write this as t plus 1 and t square minus t minus 1 equals to 0. So value of t is minus 1, or the value of t is 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 2. So now we have t1, t2 and t3. Suppose t1 is minus 1, t2 is 1 plus under root 5 upon 2, and t3 is 1 minus under root 5 upon 2. Now we know that these point of intersection of tangents is a t1 t2 and a t1 plus t2. So we'll write these point of intersections as, suppose a is t1 t2. t1 t2 is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2, and then t1 plus t2. So we'll add them. We'll get minus 1 plus under root 5 by 2. Now b will be t2 t3, 1 minus 5 minus 4 upon 4 will be minus 1, and then t1 plus t2. So it will be minus 1 comma 1, and c will be t1 t3. So it will be minus 1 plus root 5 upon 2, and then t1 plus t3. So it will be minus 1 minus under root 5 by 2. Now first we'll find centroid of this triangle. So centroid of this triangle will be, now we'll add the x coordinates. So it will be root 5 by 2 will cancel. So we'll get minus 1 and then minus 1. So it will be minus 2 by 3, and its y coordinate, it will be, now root 5 by 2 will cancel. So it will be 0. So distance of focus from centroid. So we know that for this triangle, focus is at a comma 0. So it will be at 1 comma 0. So distance of focus from centroid, it will simply be mod of 1 plus 2 by 3. So it will be 5 by 3. So option A, it matches to 5 by 3. Now the second question is distance of focus of this parabola from orthocenter of triangle ABC. Now we look at this T2 and T3. Then if we'll multiply T2 into T3, we know that this value will be minus 1. When T2 into T3 is minus 1, so it simply means that these two tangents, they are perpendicular. So this triangle ABC will be a right angle triangle, and point of intersection of T2 and T3 is B, which is minus 1 comma 1. So that means orthocenter of this triangle is at minus 1 comma 1. So distance of focus from orthocenter, so it will be simply BS, and will be under root of, now this is 2 square and then plus 1 square. So it will be simply root 5. So distance of focus from orthocenter of triangle ABC is simply root 5. That's your option number D. Now the third question is distance of focus of parabola from circumcenter of triangle ABC. Now since this triangle ABC, it's a right angle triangle, then its circumcenter is actually midpoint of hypotenuse. So let circumcenter be some C dash. So C dash is midpoint of AC. Now what's A? A is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2, and C is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So we'll find its midpoint. So root 5 by 2 will cancel. So it will be minus 1. So it will be minus 1 by 2. So again for y coordinate, root 5 by 2 will cancel. So again it will be minus 1 by 2. So distance of circumcenter from focus will be under root of, now 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So it should be under root of 10 by 4, which is simply root 5 by 2, or under root 10 by 2. And that's your option Q. And now this last one, which is area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle formed by tangents is given by 1 upon 2 a square, and then it is t1 minus t2, t2 minus t3, and then t3 minus t1, its modulus value. So it will be 1 by 2. Now a in this case is simply 1. Now here t1 is minus 1, t2 is 1 plus root 5 by 2, and t3 is 1 minus under root 5 by 2. Now what's t1 minus t2? t1 minus t2 will be minus 3 minus root 5 by 2, and then t2 minus t3. t2 minus t3 will be simply root 5, and then t3 minus t1. So it will be 3 minus root 5 by 2, and its absolute value. So it will be 1 by 8, and then root 5, and this is a plus b, a minus b. So there will be 9 minus 5. So it should be 4. So its area should be root 5 by 2. So area of triangle ABC is under root 5 by 2, and that's your option S. So this is how we can solve this question.